Okay, this is about the Herbal Philosopher's Stone. The Herbal Philosopher's Stone is a living stone. That means it's alive. That means it deals with a plant. Now, an Herbal Philosopher's Stone means after you've made it, it's still alive. So you can't be separating the soul, the spirit, and the body out of herbs to try to make it. The Herbal Philosopher's Stone is a plant, and it comes out as the Herbal Philosopher's Stone by transmuting the fruit itself. These are dates. The date tree is the tree of life that was in the middle of the Garden of Eden, according to Middle Eastern ancient texts. And here are regular dates. And see how light this is? I'm going to put some light on it right here, see how that looks. And then pull it away, sort of just give it a... take a look at that. Look at the light brown on it. That's how dates look like. The very light brown. That's how they look like. They're like a light brownish color when you first get them. And these are dried dates that I got from the store. Now here are the very same dried dates that I got from the same place at the same grocery store. And now these have been transmuted. These dates are only about a week to 2 weeks old, and I put them in the pyramid for a week. I did the process of transmutation for 1 week on them, and they transmuted into a reddish, blackish color in 1 week. And this reddish, blackish color is the same stuff that is the elixir of life, except that it's not a chemically made elixir like some people make with gold and other things. Different ways I've seen the red elixir made, but it's made inside of a living fruit. So if it's made inside of a living fruit with no chemistry involved, that's the Herbal Philosopher's Stone. And if you want to know how to do this, I would be happy to share it with you. Just please email me at the email that is given on this video. Also, as an announcement, further developments will be given where I will be putting I will be transmuting a date seed, and I will be changing the DNA of a date seed, and not through any scientific Western method where it's gene splicing or anything. I will make a date tree grow as it did 10,000. Okay, so I'm going to be planting a date tree and growing it, and I'm going to be putting I will transmute the seed itself first before I plant it and change it for it to become more as it was thousands of years ago. And then I will also feed it with a special alchemy elixir, and that will make it so the tree will be able to eventually glow, and the fruit will become a very much lighter color, possibly, and then it will become the tree of life. I have not yet tried this. I have seen a tree that was transmuted into the tree of life that was a date tree before, but I did not make it. I have seen one made, and so I will be attempting to try this process after years of research, finding out how this actual thing was done that I had seen, and how this thing was actually made. And so contact me, and I will be happy to discuss this process with you. These are the ones that have been transmuted. The three on the left have not been transmuted. The big pile on the right, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, the 8 on the right side have been transmuted. See how dark they are? See a big difference there between these and these.